The Maldives, a name that instantly conjures images of paradise on Earth. This archipelago, nestled in the heart of the Indian Ocean, is a dream destination for many. Known for its breathtaking beauty, it is a place where nature's artistry is on full display, with its powdery white sands, swaying palm trees and sunsets that paint the skies in hues of gold and crimson. The Maldives is a sanctuary of serenity. It's a place where time seems to slow down, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in its tranquil embrace. Scattered like jewels across the vast expanse of the Indian Ocean, these islands are a marvel of nature. Each atoll, with its unique charm, beckons travelers from every corner of the globe, offering a slice of paradise that feels almost otherworldly. The Maldives promises azure waters so clear they seem unreal, pristine beaches that stretch endlessly, and a sense of tranquility that feels worlds away from the chaos of modern life. It's a destination that redefines the meaning of escape. But beyond its postcard-perfect beauty lies a world teeming with life and wonder. Beneath the surface, vibrant coral reefs and diverse marine ecosystems thrive, offering a glimpse into the rich biodiversity of this tropical haven. To truly grasp the splendor of the Maldives, one must rise above. From the skies, the intricate layout of its atolls and islands comes into view, revealing a masterpiece of natural design that is both intricate and awe-inspiring. Drones, with their ability to soar above and capture the world from a bird's-eye view, offer a perspective that was once unimaginable. They allow us to see the Maldives in a way that feels almost magical. These flying marvels unlock the secrets of this tropical haven, revealing its true magnificence. From hidden sandbanks to vibrant coral reefs, the Maldives is a treasure trove of natural wonders waiting to be discovered. Imagine yourself lifted above the swaying palm trees. Below, the vibrant coral reefs teem with life. Schools of fish shimmer like jewels against the ocean floor. Drones allow us to witness this underwater world in breathtaking detail. We can trace the contours of the reefs, their intricate patterns hidden from those at sea level. This technology allows us to appreciate the delicate balance of this ecosystem. It emphasizes the importance of protecting such wonders for generations to come. From the air, the Overwater bungalows take on a new allure. Their intricate design, blending seamlessly with the natural surroundings, is a marvel of human ingenuity. The turquoise waters below reflect the sunlight, creating a shimmering canvas that seems almost otherworldly. Like stepping stones, they connect us to the vastness of the ocean. Each step feels like a journey into serenity, a bridge between the comforts of modern luxury and the untamed beauty of the sea. Each villa, a private sanctuary surrounded by turquoise infinity, offers a retreat from the world. Here time slows down, and the gentle lapping of waves becomes a soothing melody. The white sand beaches, often hidden by vegetation, are revealed in their full glory. These secluded stretches of paradise invite exploration, their untouched beauty a reminder of nature's quiet power. They stretch like ribbons, encircling the islands in a dazzling embrace of white. The contrast between the soft sands and the vibrant blues of the ocean creates a scene that feels almost like a dream. It is a sight that inspires awe and wonder, a testament to the power and beauty of the natural world. From above, these islands appear as jewels scattered across the ocean, each one unique, each one a masterpiece of nature's artistry. As we marvel at the beauty of the Maldives from above, we are captivated by its turquoise waters, white sandy beaches, and the vibrant hues of sunrise painting the horizon. This breathtaking view is a testament to nature's artistry, a delicate balance of life and beauty that has thrived for centuries. Yet, as we admire this paradise, we are reminded of our responsibility to protect it. The sight of volunteers cleaning beaches and collecting trash is a powerful reminder that every small action counts in preserving this fragile ecosystem. These islands, though a paradise, are fragile. Beneath the surface, coral reefs teem with life, forming the foundation of this ecosystem, but they are under threat, their vibrant colors fading as they struggle to survive. Climate change and human impact pose a threat to their very existence. Rising sea levels erode the shorelines while warming waters lead to coral bleaching, endangering the marine life that depends on them. It is our duty to protect these jewels of the Indian Ocean. By promoting sustainable tourism, we can ensure that future generations will also have the chance to experience this natural wonder. Eco-friendly resorts and responsible travel practices are steps in the right direction. Efforts like reforestation, mangrove planting, and beach conservation programs are vital in combating the challenges these islands face. They symbolize hope and the collective will to preserve our planet. Let the drone's perspective serve as a reminder of the beauty we stand to lose. The contrast between untouched beaches and those affected by pollution is a stark call to action. Let it inspire us to become better guardians of our planet, to cherish and protect the natural wonders that sustain us, and to leave behind a legacy of care and stewardship for generations to come.